the standard form of a linear inequality from a given graph. Sometimes, we have the graph of a linear inequality given but not the inequality shown by that graph. To find the standard form of that inequality, we must first find the corresponding linear equation representing the boundary line of the inequality. For this, we need the coordinates of two known points A and B of the graph to calculate the gradient k. By applying the formula, we have the following shown on screen. Then, using the equation of the line, we have the following shown on screen. We can find the constant n by substituting the coordinates of any from the known points. Finally, looking at the highlighted region on the graph, you can determine the standard form of the given inequality. Example: what inequality is shown in the graph? We have the following shown on screen. Solution: let's consider two known points A, 0, 1, and B, 1, 3, as shown in the figure in the following on screen. The gradient k is shown in the following on screen. Hence, in the line, we have the following shown on screen. We substitute, for example, the coordinates of point A, x equals 0 and y equals 1, in the equation. Thus, we obtain the following shown on screen. Therefore, the boundary line, which is included in the solution set of our inequality, has the equation. We obtain the following shown on screen. Since we have the region graph highlighted, due to inequality shown by this graph, we obtain the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 10.3.3. To continue this tutorial, please watch 10.3.4, Graphing Second-Order Inequalities. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.